Conas Thon to Ben from Bite Size Irish here, and today I'd like to take a bite-sized look at how to say the word kitten in Irish and some associated cat-related vocabulary. So starting with the Irish word for kitten, we have two options, and I'll start with my own favourite. That's pishkeen. Pishkeen. And again, pishkeen. Another option is a similar word, puisheen. Puisheen. And again, puisheen. The Irish word for cat is simply cot. Cot. And again, cot. Tomcat is cot firan. Cot firan. And again, cot firan. To say stray cat in Irish, again, we have two options. You could say cot stray, or you could say cot fiáin, cot fiáin. And again, cot fiáin. So fiáin there is an adjective meaning wild, but when we say cot fiáin, we're not referring, for instance, to the wild cat of Scotland. We're referring simply to stray cats. If you wanted the term feline in Irish, then that's féilínach. Féilínach. And again, féilínach. Meow in Irish is meowlach. Meowlach. And again, meowlach. So if you wanted to say the cat was meowing, you could say bhí an cat ag meowlach. Bhí an cat ag meowlach. And again, bhí an cat ag meowlach. The cat's claws, well, they're ingene quit. Ingene quit. And again, ingene quit. A cat's claws. A cat flap is cóla chuit. Cóla chuit. And again, cóla chuit. Cat flap. We've finished today with a seanchail or proverb related to cats. Now, the closest thing in English to this one, I think, is probably like father, like son. If we were to directly translate the proverb I'm about to give you, or the seanchail, it would be, what would the cat's son do but kill a mouse? Are you ready? Cad a dhéanach mac an chuit ach luch a bharú. Cad a dhéanach mac an chuit ach luch a bharú. And again, cad a dhéanach mac an chuit ach luch a bharú. What would the cat's son do but kill a mouse? Okay then, that's it from me for today. Hope you enjoyed the little lesson. Till the next time, slán go forward. Bye for now.
Transform your Irish language journey in 1 week. Take the gaeilge 1 week challenge starting Monday. It doesn't matter if you're just starting off, coming back to Irish, or you're already an active learner. Go to challenge.irish or click the link in the description.